Welcome to the Fun with Canva tutorial today. Just wanted to say thank you for all those that have subscribed to my channel. So if you do like this video, please subscribe, press the like button, and hopefully I can produce more that everyone wants to watch. Okay, so moving into it, we're going to be creating a video in Canva, and we're going to be looking at a long shadowed text. So let's get into it. So if we go over to text, click on text, add a heading, and let's choose a word. Let's just go with long shadow for now. So we'll put caps on, type long shadow. We'll go over to the font and we'll choose Anton. I'll just increase it slightly. We'll click out of it, then we'll click on it again, and we'll go Command D if using Mac to duplicate it, and then just place it on top of the original text. We'll click out of it, click into it, and to get the direction of the shadow, we'll just use our arrow keys, and in this case we'll press 2 up and then 2 to the right. And then all we have to do there is again just press Command D. Now you'll see there that we just pressed Command D and the text didn't line up. So we'll just go back and undo that. Just make sure we'll take that off. We'll go Command D, place it on the top. We'll go 2 up, 2 to the right, and then we'll go Command D, and you can see there that the text is going in the direction that we press the arrow. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we'll change the top text to red, for example, and then we'll change the background. So we'll go into elements and we'll type in here yellow brick wall and press enter. We'll go into photos, and this one looks good here, so we'll choose that one, and we'll double click and set to background, and there you have it, the long shadow text effect in Canva. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you again. Bye for now.